Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to fold a tornado I designed. This is a really easy one that only takes a couple minutes to fold. The thing I like most about this one is it looks different every time you fold it because most of the folds are done without references. So there's a lot of room to change the size and angles of pleats or the number of pleats. So each tornado will look a little bit different depending on how you choose to fold it. I've done it a ton of different ways. I've also designed a tornado that's quite a bit more complex than this one. I'm thinking about making a tutorial for that one, so smash the like button if you'd like to see a tutorial on that. And then make sure to click subscribe and the little notification bell so you get notified if I do release that. But I think this tornado is really fun, so let's get down to folding. Now we're going to start with the colored side down. So we're going to start by making a small pinch mark. We're going to bring the left corner over to the right corner and then make a pinch mark about 1/4 of the way from the top. So I'll just show you what that looks like. Just line these corners up and then make a small pinch mark about right here. And then unfold. Next, we're going to make a valley fold that starts at this bottom corner and runs up this way, bringing this corner into that pinch mark we just made. So just fold that in, make sure your crease starts right at that bottom corner. And then line that corner up with that pinch mark. And then you can crease that down. Now bring the bottom right edge into that same point. Now valley fold the top point down right along these edges. And now take that point and tuck it underneath those edges, so just fold it up. Tuck it inside and close everything back up. Next we're going to make a valley fold up top that's not quite parallel to the top edge. It's going to be at a slight angle. Now again, there's no references for this. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I'll show you what mine usually looks like, and you can just try to get close and then just adjust the proportions on your own and see what you like. So about like that is good. Then we're going to turn this over. We're going to keep that mountain fold and we're going to make a new valley fold from this side. So I'm just going to unfold it so I can show you what it'll look like. The valley fold's going to start just above the crease that we have on the right side, and then it's going to get further away as it moves over to the left side. So I'm just going to fold this and then I'll show you it up close. I'll unfold and show you what that looked like. So you can see this crease starts from the left and gets further away from the bottom edge as it moves to the right. And then the next one starts closer on the right and gets further away as it moves to the left. So we'll just reform that pleat. Now we're going to make a mountain fold for the next one, and it's going to start closer on the left and get further away as it moves to the right. And then we're going to take that and fold that, making the valley fold closer on the left and further away on the right. I'll unfold again so you can see that one. make another mountain fold, this time closer on the right and further away on the left. And then fold it up, closer on the right, further away on the left. Now the opposite. I think I've got room for one more. And then I'll turn the whole thing around. And you can tug it apart just a little bit. Then we have a cool looking tornado. Mine has just 5 pleats on it. You can make one with 6 or 7. I've tried it lots of different ways. They all look pretty cool. That was just a nice, quick and easy one with 5 pleats, just so you can get the idea. We can definitely mess around with this. You can start it with sharper angles. You could make these pleats further away from each other or closer together. Just mess around with it and fold a bunch of them. They're really quick and easy. It's really fun to make. And I love the fact that it turns out different each time. I hope you enjoyed that. Just quick and easy tornado. If you did, make sure to smash the like button. Also, I do post new origami videos every single week, so make sure to subscribe, and then I will see you in my next video.